They actively promote road safety to achieve the goal of reducing road crash. Ito po yung road accidents natin. Road crash na po yung international tempo ng accidents. Accident deaths in the Philippines to 35% by 2028. In the Philippines, an increasing trend of road traffic deaths by 39% from 7,938 deaths in 2011. Sa LTO naman, meron silang ARSA, LTO Road Safety Plan. Ito po yung Intense Mainstream Road Safety, the LTO. The document provides a comprehensive and integrated policy and plan that will address the 5 pillars of road safety, namely qualified driving.
Perspective about road safety. Nung nandun po ako sa kalye, that's important.
Isa pa, si Jose